So here's Oliver, Owl in blue. And Oliver is my baby who's been squeaking when he's upset. And I'm just wondering if that tail quiver is something to worry about. I mean, you can see Blue over there. She's kind of tail bobbing as she breathes. But she doesn't squeak, and she doesn't show any sign of being sick. And Oliver doesn't really show any sign of being sick, except the occasional squeaks. I did just kind of take him in the other room and hang out with him, and he didn't squeak though. So I guess I'm just wondering if either one of those guys shouldn't doing anything out of the ordinary. Poor Owl doesn't have any tail feathers to notice if she's got a tail bob. So here's Alex on the right. And Belle actually has some tail feathers, which is shocking for her. Alex looking beautiful as always. She's getting her wing feathers have almost all grown back. It's bedtime. They all want to go to sleep. They want to go to sleep at 7, and I hate it because I don't always get home until 6:30 or so. These guys are kind of wanting to be asleep too. Well, not asleep, but it's a little early to be going to bed. It's not even 7 o'clock yet, guys. Come on. Let's look at Blue's tail. It's kind of regular. So I don't know. Tell me what you think. Am I being paranoid, or if a trip to the vet is in order? Bye.